Hey folks, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I'm a big proponent for 2FA, two-factor authentication, multi-factor authentication, two-step authentication. There's a whole bunch of different ways you can call this. The fact is giving this is you wind up with three artifacts. You wind up with a username, an email address, a password, and also some other artifact. It might be a text message to your phone, or it might be an authentication app code. And now in this case, we're gonna hook up our InMotion hosting with 2FA. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to InMotion Hosting. We're gonna log in. I'm going to step you through this step by step. You're going to enter your username, your email address, and your password. Click on I am not a robot. You log in. Okay, now you're at the dashboard. Or soon we'll be at the dashboard. We are now at the account management panel. All with me now? Okay. Next thing you do is you go into My Account and log in security. Now that we're at the login and security screen, we're going to be presented with the two-factor authentication. We're going to click on that. You get the drop down. It says a little bit of an explanation on what two-factor is. You have two options. You have text messaging and you have Google Authenticator. In this case, you can use Google Authenticator or you can use your favorite Authenticator app. Almost all will work. So click on the Google Authenticator, and my recommendation would be to use an Authenticator app, not to use text messaging. So now you have the QR code. And what you'll do, and I'm going to go ahead and do this at the real time with you, what you'll do is you're going to go into your Authenticator app. You're going to add an account. And you're either going to type in the code that you see right here to the right, or you're going to scan the QR code. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and scan the QR code. And now on my Authenticator app, I have a code. I'm going to enter that code right here. And click on Enable, and bam, success, based on two-factor authentication. So now when I log out, check this out. I'm going to go ahead and log out. And when I log back in with my same email address, I am not a robot, log in, I'm presented with enter your 2FA code. And I'm going to enter that now. Click on Login. And bam, I'm in. Why do you want to do this? Folks, I'm telling you, you need to protect your accounts, especially an account as important as your InMotion hosting account. Enable 2FA. It is a good thing. If you've liked this video, smash that like button. And also, send a note to the good old folks at InMotion Hosting and tell them that this has been a helpful video for you. Thanks so much for stopping by.